We'll guide you through how to remove auto layout in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the search function in the taskbar to look for Google Chrome. When the search result appears, open the Google Chrome browser application. In the browser, click the address or search bar, type Figma, and then select the official Figma website from the search results. Make sure you are already logged into your Figma account before continuing. For this tutorial, choose one of your recent projects from the dashboard. After selecting the project edit page will open. If the design uses auto layout mode, you may notice that moving individual elements is difficult because they automatically snap back into their structured positions. There are 3 different ways to remove auto layout from a frame. The first method is to move your cursor to the design panel on the right side of the screen. Find the auto layout section and click the toggle icon next to it to disable the feature. After doing this, check the frame you selected and confirm that the elements inside can now be moved freely without snapping back into place. The second method uses the right-click context menu. Right-click the frame that currently has auto layout enabled. In a menu that appears, scroll downward until you find the option labeled Remove Auto Layout. Then click it to remove the setting from the selected frame. The final method is to use a keyboard shortcut. Simply select the frame that uses auto layout and press Alt+Shift+A on your keyboard. This shortcut will instantly remove auto layout from the selected frame, allowing you to reposition and arrange the elements inside with complete freedom. Using any of these methods helps simplify manual adjustments, gives greater control, and makes arranging design elements easier and more flexible. Once auto layout is removed, you can customize spacing, placement, and alignment according to your specific design needs.